utakaowezesha
thirikari no ithiĩ na mbere na gũkinyanĩria mogarũrũku thĩinĩ wa rũhonge rwa borithi. Mũthĩ wa gatano, President William Ruto akĩrũgũria matonyo merũ ma maabitha a borithi arĩa mananagio regular.
Today we are also unveiling a new uniform for general duty officers of the Kenya Police Service. This change follows consultations with police officers and the public in 2023, as well as recommendations for the Presidential Task Force. Officers expressed legitimate concerns about the current uniform, including its quality, suitability, and effect on professional identity.
Kũringana na President, matonyo maya merũ ma kwĩhumbwo nĩ maabitha a borithi arĩa marĩkia kũingĩra rũhonge-inĩ rũu. Mĩhang'o ĩyo ĩgĩtambio kũrĩ maabitha angĩ na matĩna, ona gũtuĩka maabitha a GSU na a wathani wa matũra megũthiĩ na mbere na gũikara na uniform iria marĩ nacio kwa ihinda rĩrĩ.
The graduating officers will be the first to wear the new uniform. It will then be progressively rolled out to general duty officers throughout the country, effective next week. The Administration Police Service and the General Service Unit will retain their present operational uniforms.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩu, Ruto akĩũria maabitha aya gũcenjia mbica ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo kuo ya rũhonge rũu rũrĩ na ungumania na wagarari wa ihoto.
And let every citizen know that the uniform before them stands for trust, equality, service, fairness, and justice. Your authority comes from the people. Your loyalty belongs to the Constitution. Your duty is to protect the Republic. Wear your uniform with pride, but earn its honor through your conduct.
Mwene wake Minister ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Kipchumba Murkomen na mũnene wa borithi Douglas Kanja makiuga ũcenjia wa uniform umanĩte na mogarũrũku marĩa marehirwo nĩ kamĩtĩ ĩrĩa yombirwo nĩ President kũmũrĩka mathĩngĩthĩ marĩa marĩ rũhonge rũrũ rwa borithi.
Also, the new uniforms for the Kenya Police Service that you have just launched will bring pride, confidence and morale to police officers as they discharge their duties.
Looking at even their uniform, Your Excellency, the task force you established recommended that the national police uniform needs to be changed. And Your Excellency, we want to thank you. The uniform that you unveiled today is as a result of rigorous public participation, and the police officers themselves chose their uniform.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, Njĩta Thĩũri wa Mbogo.